It is mid-February in Virginia, and I don't clean up my flower bed for another month. It's amazing how much growth this garden bed has taken on over the last month. It's a beautiful spring morning in Virginia. The daffodils are still blooming somewhat. We have some money plant. This is a really old-fashioned plant that loves to reseed in the garden. It is not horribly reseedy, but somewhat. It's very pretty in the spring. My little rose bush that someone had on our gardening group tossed on the side of the road is doing well. I have one tulip that has not been eaten or munched. A lot of catnip, which the bees love. I have some sweet primrose blooming. This came from my grandmother's house. This little crop of plants is probably 70 years old. I love old-fashioned plants. Peonies are coming up. As I said, the daffodils are still blooming. That's a real pretty one. This is my main flower bed. Right now, the dogwoods are starting to bloom. This one has little buds on it. See that? This is the native state tree of Virginia. And I have another one that is in full bloom. It's the white dogwood. There's also a Kusa dogwood, which is an Asian variety. This is the native. Blooming now also are crab apples. Of course, in the apple family. This is a pink crab apple. It is so sweet. Another tree that insects love. My neighbor has a white one, which is amazing. Also, right now, blooming are red buds. Ours is really old. It's not a particularly pretty one, but it too attracts a lot of pollinators, bees.